So Ellie had a day off school today, because she had an appointment. Anyway, so then we stopped off at Lidl and look what I found. I mean, they're probably not as great as other things, but they are a praline. What heard you say? Praline? Fucking whatever. Pistachio. £1.79. So I was like, blatantly going to get some. Do you want to try one? Oh no, you're eating your toasty. Oh, they're individual wraps. So this is how many you get. I mean, it's not loads, but for £1.79, it's enough. Anyway, I wasn't going to get these. It was just because I saw them. So let's try. Look at the tiny bit you get in there. That's what they should look like. I mean, they're nice, but there's not enough praline in them. Praline? Pistachio. Like I said, they're nice, but they don't taste like pistachio. I don't think I know. But they're alright. For £1.79. A bit disappointed.